Hi there, I'm Bente, and this is my visual story. It all started during my graduation. I needed to learn how to communicate with other types of thinkers, other than the designers I was used to. That was the moment I started using drawings to show and communicate the problems I had seen and also the solutions. After graduation, I started my first job in Amsterdam, and for me, this meant I was traveling by train 2 hours a day. During this commuting time, I felt very stressed. I thought it was a waste of my time, and I was really looking for a way to either relax or use the time effectively. And eventually I thought, perhaps I can learn myself how to draw. That is the moment I decided to start an Instagram. Treintekeningen, not very English friendly, basically means train drawings. Even after 1 year of drawing in a train, I started noticing big differences in my quality of drawings, but also how fast I could draw, but also in what I could observe, the details I saw around me, and how visualizing or using my creativity helped me to take a step back and try to understand the situation and, in the end, come up with different types of solutions or answers. And I know what you're thinking right now. She was probably very talented, blah, 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 blah. Well, that's not true. When I was young, I always dreamt of being an artist, but when I hit school, other things started to get important, like doing your math and writing a lot. And especially in secondary school, I loved the creative classes, but I didn't really get really high grades. So I thought, well, this is not for me. I'm not creative. And it's been only up until recently I decided I am creative, and I'm actively using this in my job, in my private life, in any moment I encounter a problem. And I do not only want to share my story, but I do want to show the value of being creative, the power of creativity.